Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you that how to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. If you have turned on quiet mode to minimize notifications and now wanted to disable it, I have got you covered. Let's dive right in. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are here, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open up the menu. And once you are in the settings menu, tap on notifications. Okay, so now you will see quiet mode option here. Tap on it to access the quiet mode settings. Okay, so now here you will see a toggle switch next to quiet mode. Simply tap the switch to turn it off. And tap on turn off quiet mode. And once your quiet mode is turned off, you will start receiving notifications as usual. And that's it, you have successfully turned off quiet mode on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.